Let us study the topic. Zero acceleration means acceleration equals to zero. This is zero acceleration. Here it is v minus u by t. This is equals to zero. What does it mean? It means v minus u equals to zero. It means v equals to u. If acceleration is zero, it means v equals to u. What does it mean v equals to u? How do we interpret this? It means that velocity does not change. If finally the velocity is equal to the initial velocity, it means velocity is not changing. It means constant velocity. Okay. When the velocity is constant, it means it is zero acceleration. Okay. So if we plot the graph, velocity time graph, this is velocity, this is time, this is origin. If let the velocity initial is here somewhat, and then it will remain here only. Okay, like this way. If suppose it is, let it be 20 meter per second, here it is 10, here it is 20. Okay, let it be 2 seconds, let it be 4 seconds, let it be 6 seconds. Now read the graph. What is the velocity at 2 seconds? It is 20. What is the velocity at 4 seconds? It is 20. The velocity at 6 seconds, it is again 20. It means that velocity is not changing. Okay, this is zero acceleration case. Okay, this is the graph. And if velocity is not changing, it means what? If velocity is not changing, then we can further elaborate this in this way. V equals to u. It means what? Final velocity is distance by time. Okay, displacement by time. Okay, and here if it is, you can write this way. It means that it is this, we can write here. So the distances covered are also not changing. It means that the body is moving in such a way that it covers equal distance in equal time. Okay, then the object is said to have zero acceleration. The graph will be a straight line. X means distance, this is time, t, this is 0, and this is straight line simply because it is behaving like uniform, covering equal distance in equal time interval. Okay, thank you.